Okay. Welcome po tayo sa ating Senjay for tonight po tayo yun. This time around po, this time is for Cass. Okay, maroon colors po yan or brown versus plain pink naman po or playing light po always. Yan po ang team in flight. Cellphone ko. Asan? Tangin natin muna nga ito.
Wala pa rin po pa Sergio ah. Grabe yun ah.
Okay. This is your aviation friendly double star flying league. One day po tayo, last final game na po tayo yun sa eliminations. And this is your team LBC Haring Padala and Thread the Needle. Sample natin po dyan ang SBB Pilipinas, ARA, o ako representation and PSB Kabasuli. Before that, community billboard muna po tayo yun. Meron po tayong fundraising drive po tayo. Just visit the Bagti channel for details. Bangon Cebu fundraising drive po yan. Bayan sa pagbangon po yan. Yan po, courtesy of Bagong Pilipinas Vloggers. Yan po tayo dyan. Second game po tayo yun. Cass versus the In-Flights. Ang stipulation po dito, Cass should win to get the second place or In-Flights will prevail. Yan naman po dyan. And give note of second place na to Airport United. Simulan po natin po. Owen. Okay, first quarter start right now. Si Sir J. Ramos is watching. Okay, Boy In just watching. Cassie Perez is watching also. Thank you po very much po. First quarter po tayo. Yan po of course, si number 13, si Silva, si Arnado, si Alamawag, si Dalida, at si number 11. Kabila na po, of course, si Baredo, si Ian, Anacleto, Saltiga, and si number 5, yan po. Yan po si Borlasa. Cashball po tayo, cashball. Ball po ng cashball dito. Silva, Dalida, lumawag si ilalim, pops up, go good. Nandun si Barredo, binabanata po ngayon si Borlasa, pops up, no good. Okay, rebound by the brown shirts. Silva, nope, ayaw yung bigay kay Silva. Silva, binigay kay Silva ng bola. Silva, binabang bola. Silva, Banag, hoop si Daisy. Traveling relation ka, binautig kay Banag. Okay, again, balik muna tayo mo. Okay, si Ian ngayon nagbababa ng bola. From Salting to Salting again. Salting to Baredos. Pops up, Anacleto. Ipin ng konti. Ayan, ito si Dalida. Si Matthias Sander. Wala. And Arnado again. Arnado naman. Running shot. Wala pa rin. Borlasa. Binaban Borlasa ngayon. To Anacleto. 2 points. 2 points. Silva, driving strong. Arnado running shot again, no good. Again, one more time Arnado, palpal ng konti. Block, partially. And Dalida, running shot, nope. It's number 17, stepped away. One more time. Wala pa rin. Villanueva, Ian Villanueva, kiniliwa, pasok ang bola. Pasok kay Ian. Ian Villanueva, 2 points for none. Silva, number 13. Borlasa, binapatayan. Arnado, stripped away. Silva, nakuha. Lumawag, foul called. Okay, may foul called po tayo. Jersey number 23, si Salting called for the foul. Nandiyan po si Lumawag for the 2 points or 2 free throws. First shot is good.
First basket.
Second shot. Second shot. Second shot, lumawag. Pops up. Wala. Nandun si Anacleto. Rolling pass. Ito si Ian. Binababang bola ni Ian. Ian, binababang bola. Ralph Castor is watching. Thank you very much po. Sige po mga boss. Nandun si Salting. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. 3 points Salting. 3 points. Silva naman, number 13. Binababang bola. Silva. Running shot. Palpal. Still completed. On the break. Fast break po tayo. Villanueva. Kick pass kay Borlasa. Borlasa. 2 points. 2 points. Borlasa. Borlasa. 2 points. Borlasa. 2 points po tayo. Binababa ang bola muli po ngayon ng number 37 po ng Cas. Cas. Nandun si Arnado. Arnado. 1-9 pa rin po. Matay Sanderman. Driving show. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Malakas. Nice stop by Dalida for 3. No good. Anacleto naman, binato naman bola, malakas ang bato. My friend, too much pressure my friend. Bawas po ng konti sir. Too much pressure my friend. Silva, Arnado, binabambaw ni Arnado. 21 Arnado. Nice haircut ha. Matay Sander, Arnado again. Driving show, strip pass, 37. Silva for 3. Silva. Ayan, Batay Sander, 2 points. Nice jumper. Okay, sino ba to? Si Cassie Perez. Shout out kay Ralph Castro. Okay. And Borlasa again. Borlasa again Silva. Nakuha ng pick. Binigay kay Ian muna. Ian. Borlasa, pops up for 2. No good. Rebound by Dalida. Dalida, binabang po. Dalida. Nako, sayang. Hindi na shoot.
Foul committed on jersey number 88.
Jersey number 88.
That's your first personal foul.
Okay, call for a foul. Dalida or Matay Sander shooting for 2. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Okay, sabi ni Casipe, shoutout po kay Ralph Castor with a happy face. Tumatawa pa daw siya. Second shot, Matay Sander, no good. Nakakuha, still completed. This Salting, kick pass kay Borlasa. Nakalusot, Borlasa. Ayun, si Lumawag. Dalida, pops up again, no good. Arnado, 2 points. 2 points, Arnado, 2 points. Arnado, 2 points. 6-9, lampo ng 3. Borlasa. Ian, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Lumawag. Silva on the run. Silva. Changing the shot. Same player. Arnado, 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals by Arnado. Borlasa. No good. Baredo, power move. Foul called. May tawag. Okay, sabi ni Mr. Gray, J.R. Prince Gray, go my afam Lumawag. Si Asher James also is watching. Si Boss Melvin, watching. And Borlas and Baredo, number 22, shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Baredo, second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumper shot for Mr. Baredo. 8-9 po score po natin. No good. Anacleto, 2 points. And 5 minutes already. Palit pair po tayo.
Palit tayo.
Okay, palitin po tayo. Nilabas muna si Anacleto at si Ian para si in-flight. Sa kabila lang po, of course, nilabas muna si Silva at si number 37, si Coach Roland. Arnado again, 2 points.
Basket Arnado.
Ganun lang. Okay, 10-2 blast po ang ginawa po ng Team Cas. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball daw tayo, sabi ng referee. Manapat. Oh, dumadating na. Manaka-naka. And pops up, Borlasa, no good. And there was Arnado, lost the ball. Borlasa, palpal ni Mr. Lumawag. Mr. L, not in my house, sabi niya. Sabi ni Mr. L, not in my house, boy, not in my house. And Barredo again for 3. Wala. Binababang bola ngayon, Mr. Dalida. Binababang ni Dalida ang bola. Binababang bola. 10-11 ang score po natin. 3:53 remaining. Pops up, ayaw. Binabantayan. Again, one more time. Nakuha ni Salting ang bola. Salting. Kick pass. Nando si Dalida naman. Si Daisy. Tako. Asher James. May pa-shoutout dito. Asher James says, shoutout po especially sa Team Oryx. Good luck po tomorrow's game po tayo. Oryx game po tayo. Same game po bukas against QDF. Bakiano, pops up, no good. Borlasa, no good. Binababa ang bola kay coach. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. My friend, too much pressure, my friend. Bawasan ng konti pa, my friend. Binababa pa rin ang bola ngayon ni Borlasa. Bring down the ball. Barredo. Stripped away. Barredo again. Bakiano pops up. Manapak. Palpal ni Borlasa. Vivang barrel. Manapak. No good pa rin. Borlasa 2 points. 2 points Borlasa. 10-13 na score. 2:58 remaining. Rocamora coach. Number 7. Lumawag, Dalida, 25, Dalida. 2:47 remaining. Pops up. Again, Carisila. Nandyan. Dalida again, Dalida. Arnado, long shot. 2 points to Arnado. Arnado, back to back field goals being reached by Arnado. Borlasa again, turn around, take away shot, no good, 2 points. 2 points again, Coach Rocamora, si Coach. Bring down the ball, 2:15 remaining. Arisila. Pass kay Dalida. Dalida pops up, no good. Nando si Barredo. Borlasa. Bakiano. Malakas, pero 2 points pa rin. Okay, Gio Santiago is watching. Thank you po, sir. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo. And now, Arisila. Sila, sorry. Dalida. Arisila pops up. Malakas. Again, Salting. And touch last by Dalida. Balik po tayo.
Yan ang laro.
Manapak, no good. Sila. Barredo again. 2 points Barredo. Barredo 2 points.
7-point lead.
7-point lead again. Being in flight. Team in flight for 7-point lead. Lumawag. Binababa. Ito naman siya. Matay Sander. Lumawag again. Lumawag. Matayas, Dalida. Lumawag. 2 points Lumawag. 40-19 na score po natin. 53 seconds remaining. Manapat.
45.
Naipit. Still completed. Arnado sila. Arnado finishing.
For best player.
Nice finish by Arnado. 16-19. 29 seconds remaining.
25.
Kick pass. Bakiano. Nope. Isalting. 2 points. Scott is watching. Nanonood ka pa. Pambira ka.
15 seconds.
Nanonood ka rito.
10 seconds. 5.
Lumawag. No good. Rebound Aris. Dalida 2 points for sure.
Let's just wait for officials call.
Okay. Is it count or not? The referee says. Referee says. Not counted.
Official score.
Okay, out of time.
16.
Nahuli na isang segundo. Okay, second quarter coming up tayo. The score is 16-21. Lamang po na 5 ang team in flight. Team in flight, 16-21 po tayo. O pre, nanonood ka ba? Hello.
Watching yan kanina pa yun.
Hindi ah.
Ay mo kakabitin.
Limitado nga yung data ko.
Wala man lang tayo makain dito. Pag-order kaya akong Jameson.
Second quarter, in-flight ball.
Okay, Manapat, inbounding. Manapat, inbounding.
Pass, defense ball.
Manapat, inbounding.
Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Okay, ang order ako.
Amin na.
Mamaya, anong oras pa darating?
Villanueva, pass to Borlasa.
Borlasa, pops up. Anacleto, floater shot, 2 points. Anacleto, 2 points. Okay, Sanov. Lumawag, nandiyan pa rin si Silva, nandiyan si Banag. Of course, sino ba to? Si number 10, si Arnado. Yan. Lena. Silva, no good. Banag, lumawag, kalpal. Eto na naman sila, Villanueva, 2 points. 2 points Villanueva.
Basket for Villanueva.
Lena, trinking 3. It's 3 points nga. 3 points, Lena.
Grabe yung Johnny ah!
Johnny Lena. Oh no, it's Johnny Lena. It's 3 points. 19-25, an 8-6 point advantage. 18-8-55 remaining. Sa ating score po tayo ngayon. Borlasa. Ayaw. Borlasa. Saradong bangko. Pops up. Manapat. No good. Rebound. Baredo. Power move. Wala. Rebound. Lumawag na kalusot. Eto naman si Lumawag. Hindi makontrol yung bola. Lumawag. And now to Lena again for 3. No good. Rebound by Manapat rebound to Baredo. Binababa ang bola. Manapat again. Binababa ang bola ngayon. To Ian Villanueva. Baredo. Ian again. Nanda. Borlasa. 2 points Borlasa. Long 2. 2 points Borlasa. 2 points. Borlasa 2 points. And again, Mr. Silva.
Sigarilyo pa!
Silva, driving strong. Nilabas muna. Banag, no good. Rebound, Arnado. 2 points Arnado. Again. Arnado 2 points. 6 point advantage again. And now, Villanueva. Number 88, Villanueva. Driving strong. Manapat. Baredo for 3. Nope. Rebound. Lumawag. Lumawag. 2 points. Okay. Timeout called now. Infights called for the first timeout. Hello.
Ano order ba?
Ha? Mami na. Who's your father? Sino papa niyan? Sino papa niyan? Sino tatay niyan? Bakyano?
Ang nabili, lalaro ka pa? May kalaban ba kayo?
Bakyano, Papa Bakyano. Daddy duty na pala siya ngayon, Daddy duty. Babae, volleyball siya. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. After the time at now, 20-27 po tayo ngayon. Sino ko babae? Anacleto again. Villanueva for 3. No pitch for last. Baredo, foul called. Take 2, si Mr. Barredo.
On jersey number 4.
Barredo, 2 shots given. Lumawag called for the foul. Number 4, Lumawag called for the foul. 7:09 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Ito po ang AFL Aviation Friendly Doubles Flying League. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors. Of course, nandiyan po ang Team LBC Harin Padala. Saan po natin po dyan ang Thread and Needles. And you're now watching now the second game for tonight between In-Flights and Anacleto Palpal. Muntik na. Ayan na, Arnado. Nope, it's Lena. Silva. Arnado pops up. Nope, rebound. Barredo. Ian. Nope, it's Borlasa. 2 points. 2 points Borlasa. Wah, putik na. Good ball. Borlasa again. Back-to-back field goals. 23-31. Again, an 8-point advantage again. 4-2 nating swing bigla. Ang ginawa kaagad ng In-Flight. Arnado, no good. Napagod na. Ito naman siya. Ito naman Borlasa against Arnado. Balita ko, Skat, may sinisiko to sa panghapon. Egoy daw. Nabalitaan ko. Totoo ba yun? Sinigo ka? Nagsikondo ko yun. Ha?
3 against 2. Silva na. Left-handed layup.
Kaya nga, maingay.
Back to 6-point lead.
Okay, Renzo Mason is watching. Si Sir Alex Duluete is watching also. Banag again. 2 points Banag. Unorthodox shot. Dapat na muli 4-4 natin swing again by team cast over In-Flights. Borlasa, no good. Oops, si Daisy. Foul kagad. Foul on Lumawag again.
Dalawa na si Kate.
Lumawag. 2 second personal foul given na rin kay Mr. Lumawag.
Second personal foul. Second ball.
Okay. Inbound daw po, sabi ng referee, inbound. Villanueva, tinggi 3. Kapos. Ian again. Ian. Planning shot, no good. Arnado. Nandun sa bola. Arnado again, pops up. 2 points.
Timeout.
In-Flights again call for the second timeout.
2-point lead.
Pangalawang timeout naman In-Flights. Burger pare, order ka. Burger.
Na.
Bakit?
Ano sila nagsabi?
Kumain ako kanina sa Kebadis.
Oh.
Yung dalawa doon. Sino ba yung kasama natin sa
Nakita mo sila doon? Sabi nga sa akin eh. Si Sir Gil tsaka si ano. Kumain ka na pala.
Last possession tayo.
Snack pa lang yun.
Anong orderin natin?
Burger.
Saan?
Burger King. Ito ng burger, mas burger. Tagal na lang ng burger. Okay, sabi ni Adrian Ruiz the second, sino laman boss? Boss laman po ang In-Flights ng dalawa, 29-31.
Order tayo sa pita.
Ano pita? Barredo lost the ball. Okay, palit play po tayo yun. Okay, papasok muli po si Sir Sila, si Dalida at si Coach Rocomora. Sa kanang walls, nandiyan po si Bacchiano, Salting, at si... Sino pa? Of course, palit pa si Barrero. Yan, no? Okay, tapos na po. 5:07 remaining, second quarter action. Okay, balik po tayo. Matay Sander, 25. Kick pass. Lena, running shot. No good. Bacchiano, 2 points. 2 points. Again, a 2-point advantage. 4-point advantage again by Team In-Flights over Cass. Matay Sander. Sancho. Nope, it's Coach Rocomora. Sancho. Matay Sander. Coach pops up. No good. Rebound, Salting. Salting, binababa ang bola. Salting, the big man. Walang pinasahan, mali.
Ano doon, Newton?
Newton International.
Barwa, no?
Ha? Carwa.
International lang.
Newton International School, Barwa.
Academy.
O nga, Newton International Academy.
60%.
Yung number 8 ang pinaka-
Okay, Adrian Wiso, okay, good luck po sa team natin. Go Team Cats, sabi niya. Sabi ni Ruiz. The third. Sancho, Sheila sa ilalim, pinapayungan. Sheila, dukot, pasok!
Pakto.
Wala bang ano, Burger King o Hardee's?
Tingnan mo.
Down to 2-point lead.
Hoy! Who's called ref? It's a foul called.
Foul on jersey number 7.
Okay, Coach Rocomore called for a foul.
That's your first personal
Balik
foul.
muli po tayo, 23 Salting for inbounding. Pops up, Borlasa, wala, in and out. Rebound battle won by, of course, the Cast team.
Ball be awarded to Cast.
Cast team daw po tayo, Cast team. Okay, Dalida again, 3:16 remaining, second quarter action. Binababa na Dalida, nandun si Coach, nandun si Borlasa, hop si Daisy. Sila nakanakaw. Pops up, no good. Hop si Daisy, same ball. Same ball daw po, sabi rin same ball. Same ball daw, Dalida. Or si Matthias Sander, Lena, Sander again. Sanderia, okay, Sander.
10 shot clock.
Matthias Sander, nope, it's Coach. Matthias Sander sa ilalim, kumat si Lena. Sila, catch shoot na yan, pops up, kapos.
Ito. Bukod ka chicken woman sandwich.
4 against 3.
Sino yung...
Sete lang.
Sige.
Ha?
Okay.
Libre delivery to.
Ha?
Libre delivery.
Sige. No good. Pops up.
Kaso kailangan card dito eh.
Ay, patay.
Card lang kailangan dito sa kita.
Wala, hindi ko na rin card ko. Yung card ko nila, bayaran lang kita.
Tingnan ako kung paano pwede bang card to. Anong drinks?
Cola. Pops up, Salting. No good. Burger King. Hindi, ano? Hardee's sana, Hardee's. Borlasa, no good pa rin. Ha? O, Burger King na lang, sige. Lena! 2 points, Lena. First deadlock of the game now, 35 all. 1:37 remaining, second quarter action. Villanueva. Diisyo pa, Salting. Ako, nilabas.
Still 2 points and 1 assist for Villanueva.
Matthias Sander.
Walang artist, oh.
Magkano?
32, walang mga promo.
O sige, promo
10
na.
shot clock.
Matthias Sander. Ayun, malakas ang pasa.
Last dance.
1:09 remaining.
Back to 8 points.
35 all. Binababa ang bola. Ito naman sila. Bacchiano, running shot. 2 points. John Bacchiano, 2 points.
50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining. Driving strong. Banag.
Back to Sila.
Sila again.
14 shot clock. Coach Owen.
Coach Owen. Rocomora. Binato. Malakas ang pasa.
Mga 10 years ago, kaya kang nananilisip. Tapos yun. 29
29 seconds remain before the end of the first half. Bacchiano, binabang bola. Bacchiano, binabang bola po tayo yun. And Villanueva. Pops up, Borlasa. No good.
rebounds and
Aris.
50.
Sir Owens. Lena. Okay, pumusyon po. Yun,
Ang ganda!
that's it. First quarter action is finished. Standby po tayo pa sa halftime muna and magbabalik po kami. The score is 35-37. Team In-Flights leading by 2 points. Malabo na mata ko. Ano, magkano yun? Di na napag-burger, magkano yung napag-burger?
Ano nga ba yun? Burger King.
Oh, BK. Nandito na. Standby po tayo, ha?
Pamili ko.
Sige, ito na, ito na pare.
Ayun o, pamili ko.
Basta charred bread, pre. Basta charred bread, pre. Ito nga.
Wala nga ikaw mamili, di ko alam kung ano gusto. Sige na, mamili. I-scroll mo lang ako magano. Malino naman mga Yan, meron ito.
Whopper.
Whopper ba sa'yo?
Whopper. Okay, second quarter start po tayo yun. The score is 35-37. Second half na po tayo. 35-37. After this po, calling na po ang susunod game po. That's Sky Team versus Mechanicos. Where na you? Dito na me. Arimas Banks watching. Pops up. 2 points. Borlasa, 2 points. 2 points Borlasa. Silva. Binababang bola. Mataya Sander. Lumawag and one play made.
Foul committed on jersey number 22. Barreno, that's her first personal
Onion rings,
foul.
gusto mo?
Hmm?
Onion rings.
First free foul.
Babe, wala pa tayong... Sige, onion rings. Ikaw, tatap mo yun. Dapat tap yan. Bayan ako yun. Binababa na ang Nakleto. Bacchiano. Borlasa again. Borlasa! Nako, nilabas. Lumawag. Nakakuha ng konting tulak. Lumawag again. Lumawag! Sarnado! Malakas! Oh, cartwheel.
Foul committed.
Ano, okay na to.
Magkano lahat?
Whopper to yun.
Magkano, boss? Arnado, first shot. Wala. Magkano lahat, boss? Arnado, second shot.
Beef Whopper, no? Sandwich Whopper.
Oh, beef. No good. Lumawag. Lumawag po. Lumawag naman. Lumawag. Ha? Drinks. Cola. 39 all po tayo. 39 all. Ay, magkala, no? Borlasa.
38.
Sige. Papsa Bacchiano, wala. Rebound na Nakleto. Nahirapan. 2 points sana.
Paano?
Sato. First personal foul.
Ano na yan niya? Inenex. Newton eh. International.
Tama, ito ngayon.
O tapos ano na next? Hindi ko alam anong ibig sabihin yun.
Advantage number 2.
Tapos na.
Tapos?
Ayan na.
Misamir.
Oh, add. Ayun na, add video. Save address. Hindi. Ben, tayo pa mo.
Ni Samir kasi.
May simerto, di ba? May simerto. Hop, si Daisy, isa pa daw. One more shot, give it.
Di ko naman alam ang apartment number.
Ayun lang.
Tingnan mo nga. Sa Google.
No good. 2 points. 2 shots given. Lamang na naman. 39-40. Lumawag. Binababa ang bola. Lumawag. Silva against Bacchiano. Mutik na. May foul nga lang. Sayang. Sabi niya. Sayang daw. Sayang referee.
Number 9, Bacchiano. That's your first personal 30 foul. It points.
Ay.
Tingnan mo ang streak.
Teka lang. 2 points. Dalida.
Kine-check mo ba?
Naka-duty. Bali.
Orlaza. John. Attacking.
Okay, 2 points. 2 points again. Borlasa, 2 points. Maverick Valdez is watching. Arnado, no good. Napapagod na. Barreto, binabang bola. Barreto, Borlasa again. Borlasa, palpal. Take 2. Pangatlo na po ni Lumawag. Julius Babagay is watching. Congratulations pala po kayo na po sa Airport United.
Mamaya na tayo kumain.
For clinching
Kailangan ng card eh.
for clinching the quarterfinal spot as number 2. Now his number 2 depends ngayon sa mga nanalo po dito. Kung manalo do po ang Cavs, bababa po siya as number 3.
1 point lead pa rin.
Okay, binababa ngayon ni Mr. Lumawag. Score daw po siya, 41-42. Laman po ang Team Impress. Arnado sumobra. Rebound battle again by Amanapat. Ito na si Bacchiano. Palpal. Pasok ang bola. Bacchiano. Flight Bacchiano. Boss, 41-44 boss. Pops up. 2 points again. Running shot made by Mr. Dalida. 6:55 remaining. Third quarter action.
Still 1 point lead.
Again, Borlasa, Barredo, running shot, nandun, wala pa rin. Lumawag, naka-rebound, Lumawag. Kick pass, Matias. Lumawag, lumipad, pasok ang bola kay Lumawag. Again, still completed. Counter still made, pero hindi umabra.
Substitution.
Okay, substitution daw po tayo ngayon. Okay, si Lena, lilabas muna para kay number 37. Sabo na rin po si Ian, labas muna para kay Bacchiano.
Our shot clock is 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot.
Sander, Matias, foul! Down. Nasuklo pa. Nasuklo.
Foul committed on jersey number 5.
Jersey number 5. Okay, that's Borlasa called for the foul.
Foul Orlaza.
Borlasa called for the foul. Nasuklo pa. Hila.
Shooting.
Hindi. Ang shooting hand niya, no? Arnado, wala ka, boss. Uy!
Oy!
Hop!
Foul committed on jersey number 25.
Matias ang call for a foul.
Jersey number 25. That's the second personal foul. Third team foul. Cavs.
Cast now still. Villanueva, Ian. Pumasok. Eto na. No good. Rebound. Lumawag. Lumawag na rebound. Mataman to sa rebound. Pero lumawag again. Eto na naman sila. Matayas. Pops up. 2 points. Matayas. 2 points. 5:58 remaining. Third quarter action. Borlasa. Eto naman. Si Manapat. Pasok sana. Hindi. Manapat muli. Same ball. Same ball na po. Same ball daw. Same ball.
14-second shot clock.
Same ball. Okay, same ball dapat, same ball. Lumawag, binabantay sa Anacleto. Ito na naman, lumawag, Borlasa for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the brown shirts. Again, 2-on-1. Arnado finishing, 2 points. 2 points.
Timeout. In points.
Okay, slowly but surely, Casboy slowly pulling away sa larong ito. 49-44 at 5:26 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. Okay. In flights, inbounding with Ian and company. Kabila na po, nandiyan po, bumalik po si Mr. Silva. Si Aris, nilabas muna. Eto na naman, Borlas. Bakiano to Baredo. No good. Manapahop si Daisy. Foul again. Pang-apat na.
Tatlo. Apat na.
Available jersey number 4. Pang-apat mo na yan, sir.
Lumawag for personal foul. So lumawag. Warning for graduates.
Both teams.
Okay, warning for graduates. Si lumawag. Okay, James, ano ko muna? Kailangan ka sana fourth quarter. I think James has to sit this one out now for the full quarter. Pasok sa middle na lang po. Ano yun? Ian, stripped away. Ayun na naman siya, Dalida. Naku, malakas. Dalida again, 2 points, Dalida. Dalida, 2 points. 4:48 remaining. Salting naman, 2 points Salting. Minama. Salting 2 points, 51-46. Daman po na 5 muli. 4:37 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Okay. Sky Team and Mechanicals, where na you? Dito na mi. Hop. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Sky Team and Mechanicals, nasa na po kayo? Where na you? Dito na mi.
Good call.
Where na you? Dito na mi. And says now the referee, it's in flights. Bakiano, nagmamadali. Bakiano. Ian, palpal. Pasok ang bola kay Ian. Running shot.
Palpal mo pasok.
Pinapalpal, pero pumasok.
Sino ba yan?
Ganun din yun. Arnado naman. Arnado, running shot. Malakas. No foul rep.
Tatlo.
Salting. Naku, sayang. Kumuha ng contact. Contact point.
Arnado.
Following in the jersey number 13.
Ano, pre?
Silva.
Saan pa may ano?
Timeout, Cats.
Bakto na tayo. Paano? Ano tayo? Hardy. Okay. Sa may airport road.
Layo.
Wala. Okay, ang title na po tayo ngayon. Nag-time up po kasi. 51. Ha? 51-48. 3:59 remaining. Ha? Bakit papakiin?
Nagutom.
Ano nga rin? Wala na kita.
Wala na.
Hindi na kumita kita.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Okay, Salting shooting for 2. Both teams now. Salting shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala.
First drive, wala. Second
Second shot is Salting. Pasok. Pasok.
basket.
Salting. Pasok. Babalik ulit po tayo. Ito na ngayon. Dalida, no good. Rebound by Barredo. Barredo, rebound, malakas. Lopez, Baquiano. Baquiano again, Baquiano. Manapat, 2 points, easy 2. 21, tabla naman tayo. 21 all. 3:31 remaining. This is the placing. No good. Itong larval ito, placing po ito. Ang mananalo po ito for sure will advance 1 step higher. And of course, yung matatalo, 1 step lower po sila. Both teams kinakalang manalo para sa quarterfinals. Manapat, wala. Rebound, Coach Owen, walang foul. Again, Ian nakakuha ng bola. Salting, wala pa rin. Nando siyang Silva. Foul called. Sabi ni referee, foul on Barredo. Foul on Barredo.
That's your second personal foul. Both teams in penalty.
Silva, number 13, shooting for 2. 53-51, lamang pa rin po ang Cas. Pops up Silva, wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Silva, pops up, wala pareho. Rebound Arnado nakauna, nakalusot. Arnado, Silva again. Uy, palpal. Arnado. Nando si Baquiano, Arnado. Good ball. Nice hustle play kay Ian. Salting. 2 points. Silva, pops up, Dalidak, in and out. Same ball. Same ball. 2:56 remaining. Same ball pa rin. 53 po tayo. Okay, Aris Silva, pasok muna para kay number 26, para kay Banag. Okay. Salting, meron yata pinaplanong plano. May balak sa Salting yata.
12 shot clock.
Ian. Nope. Rebound by the brown shirts. Sancho, binabang bola. Sancho. Lost the ball. Touch last by Salting.
Shot clock natin, 19 seconds.
2:10 remaining. 53 all.
19 seconds.
Sila.
Shot clock.
Matayas. Arnado. Malakas. Sila. Arnado again. Dalida. No good. Pinout pa rin. Salting. 2 points Salting. Basic instinct. Grabe. Basic. Huy. Okay. Arnado. Coach Comora. Coach Owens. Dalida again. Silva. For 3. Bang! Silva 3 points. 1:13 remaining. 56-55. Borlasa papasok muna. 1:02 remaining. Ian, no Salting. It's Barredo. Pasok din kay Barredo. Bank shot pa binigay. Bank shot pa biling ni Barredo, grabe.
Two-point green lights. Silva.
Silva off, si Daisy traveling cold. Traveling break called by the referee. And of course, after this po, where na yun?
37.
Sky Team and Mechanicos, where na you? Dito na mi, nasa na kayo? Idol. Okay, binabanata po niya ni Barek Baquiano, bola number 9, Baquiano. Villanueva. Barredo, op! Naku, hindi pa na pumasok, sabi niya, hindi daw pumasok.
Following by jersey number 21, Arnaldo. That's his second personal foul.
Okay. Arnaldo, second personal foul po yan. Pops up, wala. So yan yung shot jumpers, ready po tayo para kay Mr. Borlasa. Borlasa, second try po niya, pops up, pasok. Okay, 56-59. Okay, ito na muli po tayo, ito naman tayo, Elen. Silva, Dalida, Matay Sander, Dalida, kumuha ng pumi ng pick. Silva, Coach Rocamora. Sila, wala. Sayang yung pasa, wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters of the ball game, we have the score is 56-59. Lamang pa rin po ang Implights ng tatlo. The stipulation here as follows. If Implights wins this, they can be cemented as number 3 or 4. Number 3 for sure. Cash will go down. Or if Cash will wins this, for sure, papasok po sila possibly number 2. Depende pa yan po after the 2 games pa yesterday, tomorrow. Possibility pa lang po yan po. Before we go to the quarterfinals, this is now for the placing na. Placing na po ito. Okay, fourth quarter start right now. Okay, nandiyan muli po si Lumawag, si Barredo, papasok din para kay Ian also. Si Borlasa, si Baquiano at si Anacleto. Kay Bangos, nandiyan po si Lumawag, si Dalida, si Lena, si 37 at si Arnado. Pahinga muna si ano. Nice one, nice team, sabi niya. And Dalida, binabang bola, Dalida, bring down the ball. Arnado! Hindi na control ang bola. Balik muli po ang bola sa pink. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Ito naman sila. In flights. Baquiano. Anacleto. Borlasa. Lumipad. In and out. Palpal pa rin. Okay, honest defense by Lumawag already. Lumawag, honest defense na lang siya. Kailangan na mag-honest kundi baka graduate siya. Barredo. Pops up, Ian. No good. Ayan naman siya. Cake pass. Cake. Dalida. 2 points, Dalida. 1 point advantage na. 1 point advantage again. Babagay. Sabi niya. Ano sabi rito? And Baquiano. No good. Baquiano again. Borlasa. Wala rin. Barredo. 2 points. Shoutout kay Mr. Nervin Nadera. And si Sir Ariola is watching. Pops up. No good. In and out. Ito na naman siya. Cake pass. Villanueva. Nawala ang bola. Lost the ball. Same ball.
Same ball tayo.
Ha. Para akong nagsisitap ito. Grabe. Okay. 8:17 remaining. Fourth quarter action on the way. 58-61. Barredo pops up for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points, Mr. Barredo. 8:01 remaining. 58-64 and 6-point advantage again. Been posted again by In Flights. Pops up. Yes, sir. 2 points. Sancho, 2 points.
4.8 points.
Bakiano, binabantay po. Ian. Lost the ball again. Paredo. Borlasa, almost lost the ball. And Bakiano, no good. Wala nag-rebound. Anacleto. Ian again. Santos, stop mo lost. Relax lang tayo, sabi. Relax lang na foul call. Sabi niyan, mag-relax muna to tayo. Ian, good game kay Ian ngayon. Possible po siya maging POG po ngayon sa gabing ito. Borlasa, lobi sa Bakiano, no good. Anacleto, Palpal. Borlasa, wala pa rin. Anacleto, 2 points. Ani muli.
6.8. 14 points. Lumawa. Pass to
Sancho, Matias. Lumawag. Hoy, butik na. Lumawag, lumipad, pero kapos.
Borlasa, 3 against 3.
Borlasa, binugot, 2 points. 68-60 again. Again, 8-point advantage again. Ayun na naman siya si Arnado, binabambole Arnado. Lumawag. Sancho, 3 points. 5-point advantage. Bakiano. Anacleto.
6 minutes remaining. 40 shot.
Pareto, malakas. In and out.
Linguel.
Foul called by Banag. On Banag. Anacleto for sure, shooting for two.
Jersey number 37. Substitution. Banag, first personal foul. Second foul. Timeout, Cavs.
Cass called for the timeout. A 5-point advantage now by team in flights over Cass. At 5:47 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. And afterwards po, ito po ang susubang maglaban po. Yan po ang Mechanicos versus Sky Team. Kaya Mechanicos, where na you? Dito na me. Back to the ball game muli po tayo at 5:47 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Anacleto, first shot. Wala.
Anacleto, short, di po nang hira.
Second shot, Anacleto, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second try.
Pops up. It's in. Okay, anim muli po tayo. Anim na naman. 5:47 remaining sa ating larong ito. Sige po, laban na. Rocamora, coach. No good. Uy! Pareto, last touch. 5:31 remaining. Matias. Pops up. In. Bakiano. Nako, nawalang bola. Muntik na. Paredo. Borlasa against Silva. Honest defense. Villanueva. Wala. Ayun na naman sila. Lumawag na naman. Kumakumang bola. Lumawag. Wala. Binibing lumawag. Borlasa naman ngayon. Borlasa. Hoy! No call. Honest defense. Balik tayong yun. Silva.
foul. Paso Arnaldo.
Arnado, Coach Owens. Arnado, naipip, pinato, 2 points.
Basket.
Grabe yun ah.
Pwede pa to.
Pwede. Anim quarter to 1 remaining.
With 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bacchiano, Villanueva.
14 shot clock. 10 shot
Box
clock.
up, malakas. Rebound, tumawag.
Pass to Sancho.
Sancho again, Sancho, Rocamora, malakas. Arnado naman. Nawalang bola. Silva for 3. No good. Barredo naka-rebound. Tawa ng rebound kay Barredo. Tawa ng rebound by Barredo. Good. 65-71. 3:47 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Ian Villanueva against Silva. Villanueva. Nice pasa. Naganda. Okay, labas muna kayo. Sino po? Si Anacleto, labas muna. And of course, sino po po isa? Si Barredo. Quality minutes kay Barredo also. Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Sabi niya, papahinga ko muna daw. 33 remaining. 65-71 po. Laban po natin yun.
6.8 to go by 8 points.
Matay Sander.
14 shot.
Matay Sander. Lost the ball. Complete a foul call.
Foul committed on jersey number 25.
Okay.
That's your third personal foul.
Third personal foul called on jersey number 5. Salting, pinasa kay Ian na naman ang bola. 3:15 remaining. Okay, malapit na po ang 3-minute mark.
14 shot clock.
Manapat, Papsa. Nope. Give us a key. Wala rin. Silva going strong. Pinasa pa, sayang. Ina niya.
Foul committed on jersey number 9. Bacchiano. That's your second personal foul. First team foul for anyone.
65-71. Arnado, di pa palpal. Salting. Eto na naman siya. Villanueva.
Wala. Gordasan.
Gulasa, 2 points.
Basket.
Always just yan, di na pwedeng bantayan yun. Pag binantay mo yan, kasi mapal counter ka pa. 2:32 remaining. 65-73. James lumawag. Strip the ball. Same ball. Strip the ball, same ball.
Shot down natin. 11 seconds.
Dumating. Full na. Full force.
Walang galaw. Wala nang galaw.
Di mag-tune up na. Tune up na. Matayas. 2 points. Okay, 6-7-3. Okay, 6 na naman. Ian. Anacleto nga. Manapat. 2 points, manapat. Selfless play ni Bacchiano, number 9. Sa assist siya nananalasa.
2 minutes. 8
8 dito lang.
over 8 points. Sancho.
Lumawag.
Arnaldo.
Arnado.
10 shot clock.
Silva. Matayas. Same ball.
Substitution. 8 seconds.
Okay, Lena, pasok muna. Para kay Nino. Sino? Okay, kay coach. Naku, sayang. Ayan naman sila. Bacchiano. Finishing. Bacchiano, 2 points. Binababang bola ni Mr. Elena. Silva. Arnado. No good. In and out na. Again, Ian again. 2 points again. Ian to, palamang si Ian to magkano? Si OG. Ian, 2 points. Lumawag. Number 4, pops up. No good. Nag-collapse na. I think so. Ian again. Ian! 2 points again, Ian. Hindi na pwedeng bantayan. Hindi na kayang bantayan yun.
Timeout, Cavs.
Okay, that's it, I believe. So, safety basket na lang yan. Hindi impossible na yan. Ha? Dumating? Talisik pa lang yun.
Last timeout. For Cavs. 14 ang kalamangan.
59 seconds remaining. 14 po kalamangan. I believe so, safety basket na lang po tayo dito. Huwag yun ang pagpilitan pa. Tansya ko. Okay, back to the ball game. 59 seconds remaining. 67-81. Lamang na lamang po ang team in flights. Okay, Lena for 3. No good, Kaldog. Borlasa, binabang bola. Borlasa. 2 points, Borlasa. 2 points. 40 seconds remaining. Alalay na lang po mga boss. Sila, pops up. No good. Okay, Ian, dinaretso pa. Ian. Wala pa rin. 2 points, Borlasa. Okay, that's it. After 4 quarters, in flights prevailing. The final score is 67-83. Panalo po ang team in flights. Okay. Okay, winner po tayo po by 6, 7, 8, by 16 points. 17 points. 16 points rather. Yan po ang team in flights. Maraming salamat po. It's time po tayo sa next game po natin. Thank you very much.